This microscope was properly stored, and that's part of what you're supposed to learn when we do our microscope lab today. What I want you to notice, some of the pieces here are in place. Now the stage is all the way down. If I crank this, it's all the way down. You notice that the scanning objective is pointed down, and that's important as well. You notice the oculars are over the arm. Now if I want to switch that, I'll just twist this thing and around it goes, and then we're like that now. You'll notice that it is turned off. And even though you can't really see it on the video, this is called a rheostat, and it's set less than or equal to 3. You notice the cord is bundled and put away in the back there. And you notice that there is no slide. I know words. You notice there's no slide here on the stage. So this is kind of proper storage for a microscope. Expect this to show up on the lab exam. I'll probably put an image of a microscope that's not stored properly and ask you how it's not ready.